So today we will start the revision of new chapter, that is matrices. Definitions are not required. Every time I tell you, I am giving all the possible questions which you are expecting in the board exam and the new pattern of question. At the same time, you don't forget to practice your textbook questions because you will expect similar questions based on your textbook questions. So let me start with the first question here. Write the element A23. Write the element A23. Okay. Of a matrix A of order 3 cross 3. A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3 such that is A is defined as Aij. This is 3 cross 3. That is you can write here. Such that Aij equals to I minus j by 2. I am sure questions like this you are finding in the textbook also. Very simple. You want to find A23. So one more question. A23. A23 means the value of I is 2, j is 3. Put here 2 minus 3 modulus by 2. That is minus 1 modulus by 2. What is the value of minus 1 modulus? That is 1. 1 upon 2. Okay. Then let's see another question. That is, write the name of the matrix. Write the name of the square matrix. Matrix whose diagonal elements are 1, whose diagonal elements are 1 and other elements are zeros. Imagine what you call it. Diagonal elements 1. Diagonal element 1, other 0. Or if you recall 3 by 3 matrix, if I take 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Look at diagonal elements are 1, other elements are 0. What is the name of this matrix? What is your answer? Identity matrix. One more question. Simply I would write identity matrix. No need to write this because it is one more question. So this is I2 order 2. This is I3. This is the we use very frequently. Okay. Then A and B are two matrices of same order. What a tricky question you see. A and B are two matrices of same order. Okay. Then find. See, simple definitions are asked. So when the order is same, that means product is defined. How product is defined? Look at here. If I take A is a matrix M cross N, two square matrices. Square matrices of same order. M cross M. B is also M cross M. B is also M cross M. That means the row equals to column product is defined. When the product is defined, then what will be the transpose? What will be AB then? AB is defined. So when AB is defined, the AB transpose will be B transpose A transpose. Okay. Then comes up a question. Very interesting question. Get here. First we will take one simple one. Then you will go to a question. Suppose you are given one more question. X plus 4 minus 6. Sorry, 4 6 minus 3 7 equals to 3 minus 6 5 minus 8. 3 minus 6 5 minus 8. Then find x. Simple question. What will you do? Take the matrix on that side. Because one more question. 3 minus 6 5 minus 8 minus 4 6 minus 3 7. So what will you get? 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 5 plus 3 8 minus 8 minus 7 minus 50. One more question. Don't give more time on this. Okay, now there is a question. If A equals to 4 2 minus 1 1, A equals to 4 2 minus 1 1, B not given, so prove that A minus 2y into A minus 3y. A minus 2y into A minus 3i equals to 0. Nothing extra. What you have to do? What is A minus 2i? Find out. A minus 2i. This is 4 2 minus 1 1 minus 2. Subtraction is defined when the order is same. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Your I will be 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means it is 1 0 0 1. So how much you got? 4 2 minus 1 1 multiply 2 0 2. How much you got? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. 1 minus 1 2 is minus 1. Got this? Then what is A minus 3i? A minus 3i, that is 4 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 3 times 1 0 0 1. Since you have known what you have to do, 3 has to be multiplied here, so directly you write the answer. 4 minus 3 is 1 minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Sorry, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, then let's find what is therefore a minus 2y, a minus 3y. Multiply 2 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Multiplication, I hope you have not forgotten. Row column. That means 2 into, if I write here, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 over, then row column 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2, then minus 1 into 1, row column minus 1 into minus 1, then minus 1 into minus 2, the minus 1 into minus 2. One minus 3, this is 0. 2, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is not coming 0. Minus 1, minus 1. What is the mistake? Minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 0. 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 1. I think we have to check where we have done a mistake. 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 1, 0. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 2. 2. This is 2. Just check it. I think we did a mistake here because I have dropped here. You can check it. Somewhere mistake we have done. Check. Let me check the question also. Let me the question again. But method is very simple, not so difficult that you cannot do it. So let me check that question. 2, 2, 4, 2. This is 4, 2 actually. You have to check it. It is 4, 2. 4, 2. The 4 minus 1. So 2 minus 0. This is 2. Okay. This is 2 then. So 4 minus 3 is 1. This is 2. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. 2, 2 ja 4. Four minus 4 it should be. Row column. Yeah, 4. 4 minus 4. Yeah, coming. Okay. Then minus 1 plus 1. Row column minus 1 into 1. Then plus 1. Okay. Minus 2. Minus 1 into 2. Then minus 1 into minus 2. Yeah, you got it. So, what did you get then? You check it. It is 0 matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. But be careful when you do the calculation. Okay. See the next question then. The next question is, that is homework I am leaving for you. You try. A homework question, simple question. If A equals to 201 213 201 213 213 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 I think. Yeah, find a square minus 5a. This kind of question you should not do any mistake. What is a square? A into a, you have to multiply, and 5 into a, because earlier we have discussed so many questions like this. Okay, so this is homework for you. So next is one very interesting question you see here, that is A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then what is given? Such that determinant of A is 4. Okay, we have taken a question, mixed question. This B is another matrix of same order. B is another matrix of same order. Another matrix of same order. Then such that B equals to AQ. Then find determinant of. Though is a question related to determinant, still you can solve here. Okay, the clue you see here. A and B are same order. Determinant of A is given, and you want and given B is AQ. Okay, look, simple. B equals to AQ. The B determinant equals to AQ determinant. You can take determinant both sides. What is the meaning of this? Determinant of B is A determinant. Because it is same order, so it is a square matrix. That is why you can write determinant. Okay, then what did you get? Determinant of B equals to determinant of A Q. 3 times. So what is determinant of A? 4. So 4 cube. 64. Okay. Let's take another question. Another, I think, a question related to textbook. It is given in your first exercise. Similar question. Find the total number of possible matrices of order. Find the total number of matrices of order 2 cross 2. Then each entry is is 2 or 0. In your textbook it is given, find the total of matrix of order 3 cross 3. Remember the first exercise, last question. Each entry is 1 or 0. But whatever may be, there are 2 elements. First one is 2, other one is 0. 2 elements are there. How many matrices you can form? There is a formula, that is 2 elements, 2 to the power order. 2 elements, 1 0, 2 elements, or 2 0, or 2 1. So 2 to the power order. What is order? 2 cross 2. 2 to the power 4, 16. In your textbook, what will be the answer? your textbook question, similar question, 2 to the power order, 2 to the power 3 cross 3. In your textbook is given 3 cross 3, 2 to the power 9, so 512. So if you remember formula, anything changes here, you can answer it. Okay. Another question is, A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3 and B is a matrix of order 3 cross 5. B is a matrix of order 3 cross 5 and you are asked what is the order of AB transpose. Interesting, AB transpose. Okay, look, A is a matrix of order 2 cross 3. B is a matrix of order how much? 3 cross 5. So multiplication is defined only when first matrix row equals to second matrix column. So your outcome AB will be 2 cross 5. Then what is AB transpose? Transpose means what? The row and columns are interchanged. Will be 5 cross 2. So you can write order of is 5 cross 2. Ulta. Okay. Then comes first let's discuss all 1 mark question we are discussing just now. Then we go to 2 marks and 4 marks. A is a matrix question is A is a matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric. Which is symmetric and skew symmetric. Find the matrix A. So your answer is which matrix is symmetric and skew symmetric? There is only one matrix, that is 0 matrix. 0 matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. Then see another question. The question is, A is a symmetry matrix. A is a symmetry matrix. Okay. Prove that B is another matrix. prove that B transpose AB is symmetric matrix. Okay. Now look. First you remember, if X is a symmetric matrix, remember it is a square matrix. Another square matrix you write. X is a symmetric matrix. Then X transpose equals to X. This definition you have to remember. Transpose of the matrix should be equal to the matrix. That means here what you want to prove? Here to prove B transpose A B का transpose. If X transpose equals to X, transpose of this should be equal to B transpose A. This is what you have to prove. Okay, let's start from left hand side. What is left hand side? LHS. B transpose AB transpose. Let's make it two parts. Two parts means you will make it B transpose AB together, then transpose. Then which formula you are going to use here? You are going to use XY transpose Y transpose X transpose. Okay. So transpose of this means ये उल्टा होगा. उल्टा means देखो उल्टा, that is AB, because this you are taken as Y, this is X. B transpose transpose Y transpose X transpose. Y transpose means AB transpose transpose of this. Also you remember, transpose of transpose is matrix. That means this will be B. So if you look at this, again ulta. What is ulta? The B transpose A transpose. This will be B. Why this is B? Because transpose of transpose is matrix. Acha. Again, what I am going to write here is, since A is symmetric, implies your A transpose equals to A. So in place of this, what are you going to write? A. So that will be B transpose. This will be A. This is B. This is what you want to do. Good. Okay. Another question you see, that is based on mathematical induction. Question is, if AB equals to BA, AB equals to BA, or any two square matrices, or any two square matrices. Okay. Then prove by mathematical induction. Prove by mathematical induction that AB power n equals to A to the power n, B to the power n. Remember, there are 5 questions in this chapter. based on mathematical induction. It is 100% sure you are going to get one question. One question I am solving a rest for given in a textbook. Try to solve. Okay, steps I will show you. What are the steps on this? Let proof P and B the statement. 3 steps of mathematical induction. P and B the statement, that is AB n equals to A to the power n, B to the power n. Then you have to prove P1 is true. What is P1? That means you are putting n equals to 1. Then what you will get? AB power 1 means power is 1, not transpose here. N is 1. That is A 1B1. That means AB equals to AB. You got both the sides are equal. This is not transpose. This is power is A. So 1 means only it is AB. This is only A. This is B. Now you got Pn is true means your left hand side equals to right hand side. Therefore P1 is true. Remember 3 steps I had told earlier. Then you have to assume Pk is true. Assume Pk is true. Assume Pk is true. So what will be Pk then? Pk will be AB power k, because in place of n you are writing k. A to the power k, B to the power k. Okay. Then to prove Pk plus 1 is true. Pk plus 1 is true. So what will be Pk plus 1 then? Pk plus 1 will be the statement AB power k plus 1, because in place of n you will get k plus 1, should be equal to A to the power k plus 1, B to the power k plus 1. This is what you have to prove. Okay, how to prove? Now let's start from your left hand side. Your left hand side, it is AB power k plus 1. Split the power. AB power k, AB power 1. Look, what is AB power k? Mathematical induction you have taken here. Pk is true. AB power k is A to the power k, B to the power k. So this will be A to the power k, B to the power k into AB. Also in the beginning of the question you see you are given AB equals to BA. Since AB equals to BA given, this is given in the question. So in place of AB what you will write? BA. So that will be A to the power k, B to the power k, AB will be BA. Okay. Then that gives you A to the power k, B to the power k into B. This is A. Okay. Then that gives you, combine here, A to the power k, B to the power k plus 1 into A. Okay. Then what you will do is, actually Actually, there is one theorem related to this which is missing here. So previously there is also a theorem related to this. So what simply you can write here, a to the power k, reverse it, ab to the power k plus 1. This gives you, actually this was supposed to be proved, but we will not prove here. We are writing directly. Then it becomes a to the power k plus 1, b to the power k plus 1. I think this is proved. Therefore, pk plus 1 is 2. This is one part of the question given. You take the textbook, there are two parts. The first part has to be proved, then the second part is proved there. So if you need, I will write down that first part here. Let me check. Yeah, that is not taken. Simply is written here. So we have just interchanged it. Why you interchanged here? If you follow your textbook, you will see there is first part of the question. This has to be proved. B to the power k plus 1 is ab to the power k plus 1. So directly we have taken from there. So we are writing here. So remaining we will be studying in the next class.